Is your Tineco vacuum mop acting up? Let's identify the most common culprit and learn how to fix it temporarily. Three key symptoms indicate a damaged hose: excessive water remaining on your floor after cleaning, noticeable loss of suction power, and false error messages about an empty clean water tank. The problem usually lies in the hose connecting your vacuum head to the dirty water tank. Let's examine a typical Tineco unit to understand where to look. First, safely turn off and unplug your unit. Then locate the suction hose that connects the cleaning head to the dirty water tank. Carefully inspect this hose for any visible cracks, splits, or damage along its entire length. Once you've found the damaged section, here's a quick temporary fix that can restore your vacuum's functionality while you plan for a permanent repair. Find a short piece of water hose, about 10 centimeters long, that fits snugly inside your original tube. Insert this piece over the damaged section to bridge the gap and restore suction. Remember, this is only a temporary solution. This quick fix can buy you time to order replacement parts or schedule a proper repair. Test your vacuum after the temporary repair to ensure suction has been restored. For a permanent solution, you'll need to replace the entire hose. Start by gathering the necessary tools: Phillips head screwdrivers, including a long, thin one for hard-to-reach screws. Begin disassembly by removing the scraper bar using 4 Phillips head screws. Then flip the unit over and remove approximately 10 screws from the bottom. Some screws may be hidden under covers. Next, remove the bottom screws. You'll find approximately 10 Phillips head screws on the underside. Use a long, thin screwdriver for screws that are difficult to reach. The old hose is both glued and screwed in place. Cut any wires inside the old hose to separate it, then remove the hose from the plastic connectors. Clean off any old sealant from the threads. Install the new compatible hose by screwing it into the plastic connectors counterclockwise. Apply waterproof caulk or sealant to create a proper seal and prevent leaks. Allow the sealant to dry completely, typically 24 hours, before reassembling the vacuum. During reassembly, be extremely careful with the wires to avoid damage and ensure all parts click or snap into place correctly.